La Provence. Two French words which surely brings the most pleasant images to your mind. Think about the scenic charm of never-ending fields of fragrant lavender or olive trees, the bliss of an afternoon spent listening to the song of the cicadas, whilst drinking a glass of pastis or rosé in the sun. Oui, la vie est belle in the south of France. Let us introduce you to the elegance of Aix-en-Provence. Situated in the great area of Marseille, this charming town counts 140,000 inhabitants, called Aixois, Aixoises, or Aquisextains, Aquisextaines. Aix-en-Provence is a very old town. Indeed, it was founded by the Romans in 122 before Christ under the name of Aquae Sextiae, which refers to the water, aqua in Latin, and to its founder, the political figure Gaius Sextius Calvinus. Make sure to visit the old city called Vieil Aix and its really narrow, traditional street, the workshop of the famous painter Cézanne, and of course the Câlisson Museum. This typical Provence street, which consists of a delightful paste of candied fruit, generally melons and oranges, and ground almonds, topped with a thin layer of royal icing. Simplement divin. No matter how long you stay in Aix, there will always be plenty to do and eat. Being able to speak and understand a minimum of French will greatly enhance your experience in Aix-en-Provence. Oui, the perfect French holiday is possible with Prêt à Parler. Prêt à Parler means ready to talk. With the help of French for Everyday Life, our online learning platform, you will be able to learn how to live in France like the French. Click here for more information about how to learn French with Prêt à Parler.